Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of the given radical function using the substitution rule. This time we are given with the integral of the cube root of a function 7x plus 1 dx. Now this is the same item in the previous video where we solved it using the chain rule. This time, let's use the substitution rule to determine whether we get the same answer, and you could now differentiate these two processes if they deal or yield the same result. Of course, in substitution rule, we're going to let a certain item in this given, specifically the radicand, as another representation. But before we go to that, let's try to be reminded of the answer to this, or the antiderivative of the given function, using the chain rule provided in the previous video. The answer was 3/8 of your 7x plus 1 to the power of 4/3 plus c. Okay, so this time, as mentioned, let's try to let u be equal to your radicand 7x plus 1, so that this could be written. By the way, before that, definitely we could rewrite this as a function with fractional exponent 1/3 dx. Now this time, since we let u be equal to 7x plus 1, we have here the integral of u to the power of 1/3. Okay? Now before we complete this, writing the x is no longer appropriate since we have let a function with x in terms of u. But what we can do here is get the representation of dx with respect to u by deriving both sides of the equations with respect to their corresponding variable. So u becomes du, your 7x becomes 7 dx, the derivative of 1 is 0. That means du is equal to 7 dx. Okay? So from here, we can solve for dx be equal to 1/7 of du when we divide both sides by 7 or multiply both sides by 1/7. The point here is that once we had this is now the representation for your dx here. This would mean the pair or the next item for the integral of u to the power of 1/3 after the substitution rule, we have here 1/7 okay, of du. Okay? Now this time, since 1/7 is actually a constant multiple, we can take that out. So you have here the integral of u to the power of 1/3 du. So instead of deriving the original form using the chain rule, we have illustrated that equivalent to this, where we can now use the appropriate anti-differentiation rule for the given. This follows the integral of x to the power of n dx, where our n is not -1. Obviously, it's 1/3 here. This is for the power rule. This means this is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus your c. But our x here is now u. So what would this be equivalent to is now 1/7 the integral, no longer integral since it fits the criteria. So you will have here u to the power of 1/3 plus 1, that's n plus 1, over 1/3 plus 1, then plus c here. Let's simplify the items here, specifically with the nested fractions. So you will have here u to the power of 4/3 over 4/3, as it is the equivalent for 1/3 plus 1 plus c. Before we multiply 1/7, take note again, this is a fraction in the denominator, so you can use its reciprocal. 1/7 times 3/4 of u to the power of 4/3 plus c. Then let's multiply 1/7. So 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 4 is 28. 3/28 of u to the power of 4/3 plus c. This is the result after letting a certain function 7x plus 1 into u. But since u is not originally given, we know that u is just equal to 7x plus 1 by using the same equivalence, 7x plus 1, our final answer here is a 3/28 of your u, which is 7x plus 1, 4/3 plus c. Again, please not forget, it's just plus c, regardless of multiplying 1/7, because c is a general representation for arbitrary constant. This is the entire answer. Going back to the result previously provided in the chain rule in the previous video, please try to review that video as well. We have the same answer, 3/8 of the binomial expression 7x plus 1 to the power of 4/3. Similar here, plus c. This means it's up to you which of the two rules you are more comfortable with to use in your specific situations, unless you're required to use chain rule or substitution rule. This is for this video. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!